Sir, gusto ko po sana mag-trading kaso zero knowledge po ako. Gusto ko matuto. Meron po bang training session or seminar about trading? So, yes, meron. And check nyo lang yung Telegram community natin. No? So, nandiyan yung link sa bio. And then, message nyo ako directly. And for you, I will offer a trading session, coaching, one-on-one coaching session for free. Ayan, so, para matuto ka mag-trade and yun, basta mag-message ka lang sa akin and ako na bahala, no, tuturuan kita. So I've taught a lot of people how to trade from scratch, no, so talagang from zero knowledge or kahit yung mga sobrang hindi pa talaga sanay, no, na mag-trade. Yan, sa tinuruan natin, we have about 4 to 5 sessions na one-on-one coaching. So I can offer this to you for free. So no strings attached, no commitments, no hidden charges, no everything, no. So it's up to you. Kung gusto mo i-grab to and I hope to see you there.